SuperMicro's stock rallies after panel clears accounting practices. Should you invest now? First, in today's video, we're going to explore SuperMicro's stock soars amid panel findings. Is it time to invest? Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, The Finance Savvy, for more updates and insights. If you have any questions about buying, selling, or investing in stock market, feel free to reach out. Let's dive into the video. SuperMicro Computer Incorporated, Nasdaq, SMCI, has had a tumultuous year, characterized by sharp stock fluctuations driven by concerns over its accounting practices and subsequent attempts to rebuild investor confidence. Following an independent panel's recent findings clearing the company of wrongdoing, the stock has surged. However, the broader story reveals an intricate web of challenges, opportunities, and uncertainties. Let's break it down to see if now is the time to buy, hold, or remain cautious. SuperMicro's rollercoaster year. At the start of 2023, SuperMicro's stock quadrupled as the company benefited from rising demand for AI infrastructure, particularly advanced servers cooled by direct liquid cooling (DLC). This surge positioned SuperMicro as an essential player in the growing AI space, with its hardware supporting the high-performance GPUs from industry leaders like NVIDIA. However, its meteoric rise came crashing down when allegations of accounting improprieties surfaced. Short seller Hindenburg Research accused the company of financial manipulation, leading to intense scrutiny. These allegations, combined with a delay in filing its fiscal year 2024 report, sent the stock plunging. By November, SuperMicro's shares were trading in negative territory for the year. Independent panel clears the air, but leaves questions unanswered. In December, an independent committee completed its investigation into the accounting allegations and found no evidence of fraud or wrongdoing by the company. This committee, comprising SuperMicro board members, forensic accountants, and legal experts, issued a recommendation for governance improvements, including appointing a new CFO and strengthening financial oversight. The panel's findings sparked renewed optimism, triggering a 30% rally in the stock price. As of now, the stock is up 45% year-to-date. Despite these gains, some analysts remain cautious, emphasizing that the company still faces unresolved risks, particularly around its internal controls, accounting challenges, and auditor controversy. One of the most damaging events for SuperMicro this year was the resignation of its auditor, Ernst & Young, EY, in October. EY cited a lack of transparency and raised concerns about SuperMicro's governance and financial controls, describing their decision to part ways as unavoidable. This highly unusual move by a major accounting firm deepened investor concerns. SuperMicro has since hired BDO USA as its new auditor, which has bought the company some breathing room. Nasdaq has granted an extension until February 2025 to submit overdue financial reports, a deadline the company must meet to avoid delisting. While BDO has yet to release its findings, it's clear that the new auditor's assessment will be critical in rebuilding trust. AI growth potential versus operational challenges. SuperMicro's core business remains strong, driven by surging demand for AI infrastructure. Its servers, optimized for high-performance GPUs, are well-suited for the AI industry's needs. The company has reported shipping over 100,000 GPUs per quarter, an impressive figure that reflects its central role in the sector. However, SuperMicro operates in a low-margin industry and faces significant competition. In its most recent earnings update, the company revised its financial guidance downward, projecting revenue between $5.9 billion and $6 billion, below its previous estimate of $6 billion to $7 billion. Gross margins, though slightly improving to 13.3%, remain tight. While the AI boom provides a tailwind, the company must navigate its operational challenges carefully. Competitive pricing pressure, rising costs, and governance issues could weigh on its ability to sustain growth. Key developments supporting the stock rally. Independent committee findings. The committee's clearance of fraud allegations provided a significant boost to investor sentiment. New leadership moves. The company has begun searching for a new CFO, signaling an effort to enhance governance. Nasdaq filing extension. The additional time granted to submit overdue financial reports reduces the immediate risk of delisting. AI infrastructure demand. With AI server technology in high demand, SuperMicro remains positioned to capitalize on the sector's growth. Lingering risks and considerations. While the recent rally is encouraging, analysts urge caution. Governance improvements take time, and the resignation of Ernst & Young continues to cast a shadow. Regulatory risks also remain, with unconfirmed reports suggesting that the Department of Justice, DOJ, is investigating the company. The upcoming earnings call in February 2025 will be a critical moment for SuperMicro to demonstrate progress. Investors should watch for updates on overdue financial reports, BDO's findings, and operational metrics, such as margins and revenue growth. Valuation and investor takeaway. SuperMicro currently trades at a forward price-to-earnings (PE) ratio of just under 11, reflecting modest expectations given its challenges. While this valuation is attractive compared to its peers, it also underscores the lingering uncertainty surrounding the company's financial health and governance practices. For long-term investors with a high risk tolerance, SuperMicro's position in the AI infrastructure market offers compelling growth potential. However, for risk-averse investors, it may be prudent to wait for clearer signs of stability, particularly around its financial reporting and regulatory compliance. Conclusion: a balancing act of risk and opportunity. SuperMicro's story is one of both promise and caution. The company stands at the intersection of AI-driven growth and governance challenges, making it a high-stakes investment. While recent developments are positive, the road ahead remains uncertain. Investors should weigh the company's potential against its unresolved risks before deciding whether to buy or hold the stock. Would you like further analysis or a summary of specific sections? Again, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Finance Savvy for more insights. Got questions about SuperMicro stock soars amid panel findings? Is it time to invest? Feel free to reach out. We'd be happy to help.